Right, so I've just had this fantastic flight with my Olympic, and look what's next door to it. It's my Hobbyking Ezio 800, but it's now a pure glider. I never liked it under power, it just never flew well, so what was the point of having the motor? So I've taken it off and made a nice nose for it, and I reckon that looks pretty cool. So this is a kind of a Maiden for this one. Feels like the wind's eased off a little bit, so let's see. This might go badly, or it might go really well. Got a little bit of ballast in it because it is windy, so let's see. There it goes. Whoa! Wow, that's pretty good so far. Whoa, don't let it go too far behind. So I'm just pushing on the stick, let's get it out again. Wow, it's coping with this wind pretty good. I haven't measured it. Right, let's see if I can keep that nose down, bring it past me. Whoa! Oh dear, that was a bit fast. Come again. No, he's picked up on lifts. It's gone up. Whoa! I don't know what happened there. I think I just got a bit muddled or something, the way it's... A bit of down trim on it, I think. There we go. Whoa, I think I've got one of these receiver problems. I'm going to bring it down. Whoa. Oh dear. Yeah, I'm not using those receivers anymore. That's ridiculous. Wow, it looks like a repair job. That's because of that receiver. I'll have to just stop using these receivers because that's what was happening on my Ezio. Not my Ezio, my Fling. So these are the receivers. Don't use those. FR Sky, what's that? V8 R4 or whatever. Just don't use those. That's a shame because I was having great fun with that, but that receiver was doing... Have you seen the issue I had with my Fling? Exactly the same. Suddenly you get... It's something to do with the receiver. It resets or something, and then you get a full deflection on elevator or aileron or rudder or something, and that's what caused that crash. almost recovered from it, but anyway, I'll repair it because that was good fun to fly.